Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create an online business with Clickfunnels, detailed guide step by step clearly. To create an online business with Clickfunnels, begin by signing up for a Clickfunnels account. Visit the Clickfunnels website and click on the Start Your Free Trial button. Enter your email address and create a secure password. Check your email for a confirmation link and verify your account. Once logged in, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features. Click on Build Funnel to start creating your first sales funnel. Choose the type of funnel that aligns with your business goals, such as a sales funnel or lead generation funnel. Follow the on-screen instructions to name your funnel and select your funnel type. After creating the funnel, you can choose from pre-designed templates or build your funnel from scratch. Select a template that fits your brand aesthetic and customize it according to your needs. To do this, click on elements you want to edit, such as text, images, and buttons. Use the drag and drop editor to move elements around and adjust their size. Add new elements by clicking the plus icon and selecting from available options. To integrate your email service provider, navigate to the Integrations section in the settings. Connect your email service by following the integration steps provided. Set up payment processing by linking your preferred payment gateway. Click on Settings and then Payment Gateways to connect your account. Once your funnel is built, focus on setting up your email automation. Go to the Automation tab to create email sequences for leads and customers. Create targeted lists to segment your audience for better engagement. Test your funnel by using the preview option to ensure everything works smoothly. Publish your funnel when you are satisfied with its appearance and functionality. Next, promote your funnel by sharing it on social media and through paid ads. Analyze your funnel performance regularly by checking the statistics and making adjustments as necessary. Continue to optimize your funnel based on user feedback and conversion rates. With these steps, you can successfully launch an online business using Clickfunnels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.